Here are a pair of PS90s. As most of you know, we cut these barrels back to convert them to SBRs in the P90 configuration, the 10.3, 10.4 length, threaded at 12 by 1 metric, and that allows you to run whatever muzzle device you want. The 12 metric to half by 28 adapter affords any common suppressor mount or direct thread suppressor. But that's all old hat. We've been doing that forever. What's special about here today is we have this old Gemtech suppressor. It's based on their bi-lug mount system. Spring load's kind of like a 3-lug mount. This one specifically is a P90 test model. It's a few years old, and it's threaded 12 by 1 metric, actually, or rather the quick mount is threaded that. So the way this mamma jamma works, basically, it just plugs right in to the, just like a 3-lug does, and snaps right on, good and go. So curious to see how this actually runs up against a modern super lightweight AB Raptor, or rather AB Wharthog A10. All right, let's rock and roll with that. See you at the range. All right, let's see what this does. All right, first round pop, louder here. That's pretty quiet. About the same. A little more low end pitch on this. That one's out. That one's out. That's for helping. All right.